everyone, it's day 11 and I am off to Blizzard Beach, as I just thought I'd take a little wee chill. And yet after Blizzard Beach I am off to Magic Kingdom. So here we are, Disney's Blizzard Beach water park. So I've just gotten by the security and scanned into the park. It's a sign, the direction to the lockers, the changing rooms, and also the restrooms. And here we are. So the first thing I'll be going on will be Cross Country Creek. Yep, it flows right around the whole park. Good way to relax before going on any rides. You've even got the snowstormers, which is right here. Yeah, that'll be something that I'll be doing also. So I'm going to try and make the most of the park today. This surely is lovely, so that is, and relaxing. Here we are, just going through the creepy tunnel. Within the Cross Country Creek. Absolutely lovely this, and relaxing. Just what I needed today was a little wee chill for the start of the day. Because I've been doing a lot of walking, so I have, around the parks. Else I'll be going to the Magic Kingdom later. Well then, I really need to give my feet a rest, so I do. Yeah, this is very good to help relax them, to give them a big kick for
been able to walk, because I must say the circulation in my feet, with all that walking, I feel like as if I can barely touch the ground with my feet sometimes, just because of how hot it is, and the amount of walking I've been doing. Yeah, just totally different climates and weather temperature, so it is. Try not to get wet. Yeah, I'm just going to the top. Yeah, almost out of breath. But yeah, what is required to when you want to do something so desperately. So here we are, Slush and Gusher.
Have to be at least 48 inches tall. If you're shorter than that, you can try out Kingdome Springs, one of the coolest rides on the slope.
You can see sliding down Summit Plummet or Slush Gusher for a safe ride, lie flat on your back with your arms and ankles crossed in front of you. Once the lifeguard gives you all clear, then start sliding with your hands.
There it is, right there. Very bumpy looking. That was very fast, so it was, and speedy. Whoa, not done something like that in ages. Absolutely brilliant and amazing. Check out the height of that. Very bumpy. You feel like as if you're going to go thrown yourself right off of a mountain, so you do. Oh, I absolutely loved it, so I did. I should say that was alright, that ride. So it was going up and the actual Blizzard Beach Skyliner, but it was not as safe as the Disney Skyliner going from park to park, yet it looked very dangerous and scary, I must say. Oh. But then at least it gets you to where you want to go much more faster. So here we are, like red slopey tube. Yeah, I just done that one right in the middle there. Yeah, you see that's the more intense one. Well, I'd classify it as the more enjoyable one. So I would. That was absolutely brilliant, so it was. So I'm just leaving the park, and I'm going to go back to my hotel and get ready to go to the Magic Kingdom. lightning lane to go on Pirates of the Caribbean. Absolutely loved that, so I did. That's fantastic. I'm a big Pirates of the Caribbean fan. So I am just coming out of Adventure Land, heading over to Tomorrowland to go on Buzz Lightyear Space Ranger spin. So here we are, just about to go on Buzz Lightyear Space Ranger spin. It's I love Toy Story, and the best one out of the lots has got to be Toy Story 2. As it's the one that I first saw in the cinema. On to the ride, Buzz Lightyear Space Ranger spin.
Arms and legs inside your safety. Be sure to store your gear and keep an eye on those kids. Good luck.
Mission accomplished, Space Rangers. Check the status board and review your score. Remember, through infinity and beyond.
So that was fantastic. So it was, yes, I did pretty well and got a lot of points. Yet I'm now heading to Tomorrowland Speedway. Another ride that I absolutely love. So I totally love Tomorrowland Speedway because I enjoy driving, so I do. Yes, so fascinated with driving. Since I was 16, I've always wanted to drive. This year is the experience of driving. That was totally fun, so it was doing all of that.
You have saved our lives. We are eternally grateful.
Just gotten off of Buzz Lightyear Space Ranger spin. Yeah, went on it twice. So on it, straight back off, and then on it again. Yet I just so much love it, so I do. Yeah, I'm now going to head into one of the little wee shops on the Magic Kingdom Main Street.
What is it?
What makes the holiday season so special?
Is it crazy?
Something better to get? No.
Games?
Why would you play anywhere else?
So I'm now just leaving the Magic Kingdom park. But going to go back to my hotel and have my dinner whilst the Magic Kingdom is now closed to those people that do not have a Mickey's Very Merry Christmas party. Right, ticket.
back to my hotel room, yet had a very good, enjoyable day. So I have, yet it was very relaxing going to Disney's Blizzard Beach, and yet I also enjoyed going to the Magic Kingdom. Yet I hope you've enjoyed watching this vlog today, and I shall see you in the next one.